What's up, juicy boys, juicy girls? And now we have an unboxing video once again. As you can see, Adidas, diba? Adidas ang i-unbox natin for today. And this is one of my favorite classic designs or shoes ng Adidas. Tingnan natin, patagalin pa. Let's do the unboxing. So I ordered this online sa adidas.com, and good thing is available siya doon for di ka mukha dati. For this shoes, it's very hirap makakuha kasi sa ibang bansa lang siya meron, but now we're lucky enough that sa online shop ng Adidas it's already there, and na-jackpotan ko lang actually. Pag-check ko, nakita ko lang sa Facebook yung post ng Adidas, and then when I check it online, wow, may size ako. So without further ado, unboxing. It's the Adidas Velosamba. Okay, Adidas Velosamba. It's Samba design, classic Samba design, color black niya. Leather, and ang pinagkaiba nito is it's made for biking, diba? Meron siyang lagayan ng cleats sa ilalim. Diba? So kahit hindi ako nagki-cleats, gumagamit ng cleats sa bike, bumili tayo ng Velosamba. Syempre, in the near future, if you want to go with cleats, why not? So I already have the shoes for that, and it's Adidas, tapos Samba design pa. So, ayos na naman yung Japorms mo rito. Yan. Galing ganito pala. So, this is how it looks like. I'm very happy with this purchase because this is one of my favorite shoes again. It's what I can say is OG ng Adidas, diba? So what's good about these shoes, it's dual purpose, diba? You can use it for casual, and it's also functional for biking. Kasi meron siyang cleats. Ito sa sole niya, I'm not sure if it's made of stealth, but research nyo na lang, pero tingin ko hindi. So it's a gum sole. It's a classic design, black and white. You can never go wrong with black and white colorway, diba? Madali rin siyang bagayan, like the Nike Panda, na halos lahat meron na, diba? But still, pag naka Nike Panda ka, Nike Dunk na Panda, ang ganda tignan, lalo na if you just naka shorts and everything. So the same here sa Adidas Samba. Pagdating sa sizing ng Adidas, it's very different from Nike or Jordan. With Adidas, I go down 1 sa size. So for Nike and Jordan, 10 kinukuha ko, but for Adidas, it's only 9 US. So ang ganda niya, especially if you're biking, using this for biking, diba? Para ma-serve yung purpose niya. It's dual purpose. You can use this casual use, walking, anything. Malambot siya. Not really that malambot compared dun sa original na Samba. since it has this plate para lalagyanan ng cleats. But still, it's very comfy when you use it. Going to have some extra budget. I'm planning to buy gravel bike then in the future. So, saktong-sakto to. Diba? And yeah, basically, that's it. The Velosamba. I've been wanting these shoes for a very long time. So, you can buy it locally or sa adidas.com. They will ship it directly sa house nyo. And hindi na kamukha na dati, sa reseller pa natin siya makuha. Diba? Abangan nyo lang if there will be some restock para makakuha din kayo itong Velosamba. Meron din siyang ibang colors like white, blue, ganitong kulay. Yun lang yung alam ko. But maybe in the near future they'll be releasing new colors or colorway for Velosamba. Very cool. So, shoutout sa mga kagrupo natin sa Comensal Philippines. I'm wearing our call this jersey. So, shoutout sa inyo dyan. Kahit na matagal na akong hindi nakapag-ride. Kahit enduro. But my bike needs some tune-up. Kaya abangan ang susunod na kabanata pagdating sa biking adventures natin. But thank you. Thanks again for watching. Again, if you like my contents, like it's just good vibes, diba? Shoes, unboxing, biking, friends, family, then hit the subscribe button, diba? And if you have some more suggestions, feel free to comment down below. And ayun, I'll be seeing you in the comments section. And thank you for watching. If you watch this or yung mga previous videos natin, hope you like it. Again, see you again next time. Peace.